Hello, my name is Preston Ferreira, and the hobbies that have interested me the most is video games. They've been a part of my life ever since I was a small child, and they've really helped me throughout the years. I really enjoy the competitive nature of it, and the thrill is just so exciting. When it comes to games, I primarily play on my computer these days, but I've also dwindled around with console. Most of my accomplishments in life have been small but pretty meaningful. When I was in middle school band, I played the flute and managed to score the highest on the annual solos that we had to do every year. I managed to push my body, been able to eat 10 pieces of French toast, which is good for me. And finally, I've been working out consistently for about 2 years now. I've actually learned quite a good bit while I was in this class. One of the major things I learned is that my views are generally different from everyone else's, and I feel like that's fine. Another thing I've learned is to actually manage my time better, which is actually good for me because I tend to get distracted very easily. The most important thing I've learned, however, is to actually start questioning what I want from life and what is generally my end goal. Online school has honestly been a huge struggle for me. I find it very hard to focus on completing assignments because of my ADHD. On top of that, completing assignments just feels empty these days. And as general, the whole class itself just feels empty. Online school just feels like a complete empty void.